Hi guys, we've both quit work now, so we head off to Greece in search of our liveaboard home. This week we're in Athens, having a look at two boats at Alamos Marina, a Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 49 and a Beneteau Cyclides 50. Enjoy the boat tours. We hope you enjoy the video.
We arrived at Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5. I'm ready to go to Greece!
Ready to go?
Ready! So we see you in Greece. Bye!
How does that take off?
Really cool. We went really fast like this.
What happens to a packet of crisps in the aeroplane? A life jacket, kettle.
Oh yeah, whoa! Oh, I like this. Oh, I like it.
We're in Greece. New adventure. And so it begins. Thank you, British Airways, for delivering us safely. Everyone's tired.
Everyone's tired, yes. We're in Athens, baby, and it's pretty cold, 6 degrees.
Hello.
Hola. How do you say thank you? Or hello? How do you say hello? Yusuf. Yusuf. Efkaristo. We're on our way to Alamos Marina to have a look at two boats this morning.
We're going to see the boats. Rather warm. The sun is lovely.
There is a basic inventory.
There's 4 toilets. Wow.
2 doors for mommy and daddy's.
Yeah.
And then 1 door for me and Leah have our own.
Is it quite deep, Chris? Is
I
it?
know they're quite shallow.
Oh, it's shallow. There's life raft there, isn't there? Shallow kill.
Yeah.
So you can approach.
Closer.
How much is it? 1.6 meters?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's where it.
Okay, yeah. It's quite good storage there. There's a shower outlet, is it? There's the gas there, right? And then another one here, isn't it? Another deep one, isn't it?
Climbing down there to get the balls. What's this here?
I think it's just a drain, I think.
This is the swim ladder down here, right?
What's the solar panels? Does it 150 each, are they? So you can't quite operate that from the helm position, can you? You only go 4 winches. So obviously there's just a bedroom there.
I have a helmet.
It's not helm, it's the compass.
So we've got depth and wind.
So that's the engine.
Yeah, so this is the 9,000. That's the manual build pump.
You're not sailing away just yet. Does it come with the bimini or it does?
The thing is that
2 doors.
you can take this off.
Oh, you can.
So
Mommy,
it
there's
can be
2
one
doors.
big cabin.
Oh, is it? Ah.
2 doors.
Can you remove it front as well?
Yeah.
So was you just saying that all of this can
Yeah.
come out?
Yeah.
This is the first time I've seen this.
Ah, okay. They're quite big, aren't they? That's really good, isn't it? Oh, there's 2 doors from here, isn't it? Toilet. Toilet there, shower. I guess this comes apart. That can be removed.
Oh, it's about to go now.
Now I'm about to go in here.
I'm about to go. Oh look, there's a little.
Just about fit in. The fans. There's another cupboard there. The bulkhead again. removable. Got another head there. Bit smelly. Gosh. More couple of space there. We've got storage there. Does this one come with the freezer?
Yes.
It does. Oh, that's the freezer, the small one. Okay. What's under the beds then?
Well, this one has got a fuel tank. Well, the back rooms are quite nice and spacious.
But I mean, even with that bulkhead, it's quite big, isn't it? So that's the water tank, is it?
So there's actually no storage under the back.
Oh, the bilges like that. Look at that. Fire extinguisher. For storage there. It's for the drinks. We'll go here. More storage. That's how it goes all the way under the seat.
The storage here, Mummy. Did you have a nice?
Yeah, I've just checked. That's really good. Look at some bilges.
Do you think we might buy this? Hand rotor. Daddy, can you shut this? Because there's like two little bits that you put over the sink.
Yes, you can. Yes, so you can use it as a workspace. Water.
Is it covered space or is there?
No, there's a whole water tank. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. There's lots of electrics and stuff in there. It looks like some sort of power.
The boat has been very well maintained by the
Yeah.
owner. You can see with the woods and everything. Even with no charter for all that time. The floor is in excellent condition. I don't know
Yeah.
if you see any other in condition like this.
You go in front and you hold on to the stanchions. Yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah, you come with me slowly.
Try not to show the floor.
So that's another hatch.
Where are you going?
So it's furling.
That's your job.
Furling mainsail.
Oh, the anchor buttons are probably in here.
Do you know how old the sails are? Obviously, there's no sails, is there?
4 years old.
4 years old.
Not this summer. Previous summer, take it out because they didn't travel at all.
Okay, yeah.
There's so much space.
Yeah, it's good one, isn't it?
Daddy, I don't see the swishy thing under anchor.
There's your anchor. Yeah.
And then the swishy thing.
This is for the spinnaker pipe.
Daddy, why am I holding this? We fall into anchor.
I'm not sure how much spinnaker pole is, like 100 type sail. When we go down the... So there's a seat to sit on at the front. If you're not scared.
You're gonna go flying, aren't you? So that's the overall look of Sun Odyssey 49.
Like those little things, then you know depth and speed.
Yeah, it's got lots of holes, so it comes with no electronics.
No, they are out because of due to winter rain and
Storage for these.
Yeah, and you've got something that. What's that underneath
the
there?
door.
Oh, that's the door. Okay, right, okay.
How does that work?
Oh, like that. Okay, and then
Okay.
you lock that.
You see, if you have Bavaria and the Jeanneau or Beneteau same year,
Yeah.
the prices, Jeanneau, Beneteau keep the prices. Bavaria's, you can find a cheaper price.
Yeah.
Yes, but the interior, as you can see, it's full of wood, massive. In
Yeah.
Bavaria's, the design is more, their approach is to create bigger spaces,
Yeah.
but the quality of the materials they use, it's the Bavaria's after 2011, 2012, they're better for me.
Right.
They have the platform that goes down, so they give.
Okay, yeah, that's good first
It's important for them,
We
the
prefer-
comfort, let's say.
Yeah. Have you got a boat?
No,
No?
I don't have a time to do it.
No? Don't have time
I
to
don't have
sail.
time to have a boat. Boat needs
24/7 sails.
Yeah.
This summer, I was only 5 times at the beach.
Yeah.
Only 5 times. Yes, but we are in Greece, so
Yeah.
it should be every day.
Hey, let's go down.
Mommy, hold on tight.
Hold on tight.
The boat has much more space than the other one.
Has it got freezer or is it just a fridge?
Yeah, and there is another one.
What's that? Oh, is it inbuilt? But this is only 2. The other one had 4, didn't it?
Yeah.
So this is...
But you can change those things.
Yeah, I suppose you can, yeah.
What was two?
2 burners.
At the moment, yeah.
Leave it at the top.
Storage there.
Well, if you both you boys sleep in here, Mum and Dad have got a lot of space, haven't we? You promised to stay in here,
Yeah.
yeah, forever. Come out at dinner time. No? Oh, yeah, you can come
Oh,
out.
that's the extra room, isn't it? Oh, yeah, that's a good space.
But I'm not going to stay in that forever.
That's a good space, isn't it, there? This is quite good, isn't it? You've got some storage there. That's really good.
In your room?
Yeah, that's not my room. Mind that thing.
As you saw, and then for the other one.
Front. We got here. Drawer. Nice stuff in there. Another, I think, bulkhead can be removed. No, toilet. George, does the front bulkhead
Come down now.
come down as well? Got a bit of storage there. What's under there? More storage. That's quite good.
This is for 6-10 people in and 1 outside the skipper's cabin.
Does that mean I can go around there?
Yeah, very carefully. Yeah?
going to the bow.
I know you do, but hold on to the stanchions, James, please. Nice wide walkway, quite nice. Is the rig an original?
Yes,
Well, it's another suite.
Where is that? Let's have a look. Is it as big as the other one? It's even bigger. Because there's more space under the beds, you know, the front.
There's another toilet.
Anchor.
It's for Nanny and Grandad when they come.
I love the bow. See
No.
any fishes?
No, no fishes.
Oh, pirate ship.
Come with me.
Oh, I want to look at the pirate
Right, don't step on the hatches.
ship.
Because you don't want to break them.
Mind your head on the boom. I like both of them. I think they both had a minor issue and both had a minor good. 2 minor goods.
Okay.
So on the second boat, it had 1 minor issue that I didn't like. I thought if they put the things back on, then there's still going to be that sellotape.
Those instruments missing, which I think it'd be strange to take them out.
The 2 things I really like about that one with the windows is number 1, bunk beds, but I'm not going to be using bunk beds even if we buy it. And number 2, the wooden doors. It's not normally wooden. Normally they're like just